Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily create the user account in your LENOVO Legion GO S handheld console. So here we have to tap plus, and now we have to tap create account here. Now we have to scan this QR code using our mobile or visit the https://steam/join website. Then you have to enter your credentials like email, password, name, surname, etc. And then if you are logged into your account and you have created it, you have to tap sign in here. And here you can scan your QR code using the Steam application on your mobile or enter your credentials that you have created, then here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.